Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine waking up to smoother, more radiant skin. What if that could be just a cream away? Today, we're looking at the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer with SPF 30, a product that claims to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles while hydrating your skin and protecting it from the sun. This moisturizer is packed with some powerhouse ingredients like retinol and hyaluronic acid, which are known for their anti-aging properties. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair is a daily face moisturizer with SPF 30, designed to hydrate, smooth, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles over time. It's infused with retinol, which helps to accelerate skin renewal, and hyaluronic acid, which pulls moisture into the skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. The inclusion of SPF 30 is a huge bonus, offering daily sun protection, something that's essential when using retinol, as it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. But what sets this product apart is its ability to also work on fine lines, dark spots, and overall skin clarity. It's dermatologist-tested, fragrance-free, and free from parabens, mineral oils, and dyes. Great news for those with sensitive skin. Plus, it includes a 0.5 phthalates trial-size Hydro Boost facial cleanser, so you can start your skincare routine right from the get-go. Now, I've been using this moisturizer for the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, it's been a smooth, pun-intended experience overall. The cream feels lightweight on the skin and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which I really appreciate, especially when layering other products. I applied it both in the morning and at night, and it provided a solid amount of hydration throughout the day. The added SPF protection is a nice touch. I didn't need to apply sunscreen separately, which is a bonus for busy mornings. When it comes to texture, this moisturizer has a silky, almost gel-like consistency. It's not too heavy, so I could easily layer it with my other skincare products without feeling like my skin was suffocating. And after just a week, I did notice my skin looking smoother and a bit more even-toned. My fine lines around my forehead and eyes started to look less pronounced, and my skin definitely felt softer and more hydrated. But let's talk about the cons. While the product does provide good hydration, I wouldn't call it a deep moisturizer for dry skin. It's definitely great for those who need something lightweight with anti-aging benefits. But if you're someone with very dry skin, you may need to layer it with a richer moisturizer, especially in colder months. Pros: contains retinol and hyaluronic acid, both well known for anti-aging and hydration. SPF 30 provides sun protection, which is essential with retinol, lightweight, non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly, dermatologist tested, free of parabens and mineral oils, hydrates skin and visibly smooths fine lines in a week. Cons: might not be hydrating enough for extremely dry skin. As with all retinol products, it can cause irritation if you're not careful with sun exposure. Now the big question, is it worth the price? At first glance, it seems like a fair deal considering the ingredients. Retinol, hyaluronic acid, and SPF 30 aren't easy to come by in one bottle. However, it's a relatively small bottle for the price, and depending on your skin type, you may need to layer a richer moisturizer on top. If you're on the fence, there are definitely more affordable alternatives that could give you similar results. For instance, Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream offers a similar retinol-based formula with a much larger quantity. It also includes SPF 30, making it a good comparison, although the feel of the products might differ slightly. Another option could be CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum, which is more budget-friendly and designed to smooth out dark spots and fine lines. Both of these are solid alternatives that might be more suitable for those with drier skin. The build quality of the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair is solid. The bottle feels sturdy, and the pump mechanism dispenses the product without any mess, which is always a plus in skincare packaging. As for longevity, retinol can be tricky. You'll want to start slowly, especially if you've never used it before. Retinol often requires patience. It can take a few weeks before you start seeing noticeable results, and your skin needs to adapt to it. With consistent use, I expect this to last me for about 2 to 3 months, even though it's only 1 phthalates. I haven't had any direct interaction with Neutrogena's customer service, but the brand is well regarded for its responsive and helpful support. They have a reputation for being easy to reach if there's ever an issue with your order. If you're looking for alternatives, don't forget that Neutrogena itself offers other retinol-based products that might suit different needs, like their Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Oil, which could be more moisturizing if that's a concern. Final verdict, the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer with SPF 30 is a solid, all-around product. It hydrates, helps reduce fine lines, and protects against the sun. While it might not be enough for those with dry skin, it's a great addition to any anti-aging skincare routine, especially if you're already familiar with retinol. If you're new to retinol, I'd suggest starting slowly and being mindful of your sun exposure. For those looking for effective, well-rounded anti-aging protection in one product, this is a good option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.